at some of these trails. Fantastic. We're gonna have to scope it out. Looks like the squirrel's already doing that. But yeah, we could have big logs down. Maybe not so much on these couple of trails, this one and next trail, because there's not so many trees, but you just never know. The wood is a little bit moist. Okay, next trail on the left there. Take the steady, as you can see. They'll hop into the berm there. Soft berm, and my chains come off. Crikey, hope no one's coming. Come on. I have to get a chain device for this. My other bike has got one, but this one didn't come with one. It flipping needs one. Oh, that's been smoothed out a bit there now. Definitely not hitting that. Just, oh, it's very muddy. Looks like it's been worked on though and smoothed out. Way. Oh my goodness. Push over that. Hello. Bit of a bugger that one, isn't it? Aye. There's quite a few of them around, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah, just going back up that way because there's another trail coming down. There we go, look. Whoa. I have to keep our wits about us. Could be branches down on this one. Yeah, one there. Oh. Yeah, a little bit damp there. Ooh, crikey, yeah, slippery. It's steep here. Got a feather. Brakes. Oh, there we go. Looking left and right. Lots of I'm trying to concentrate and talk. I'm not good at multitasking. That's the wife's area. Full of logs, just leaves. There's a log there, but move these. They actually are in the worst possible place, as you can see. Right on the turn. Let's get the bike back and go back into that. Right. Oh, feels like I'm bringing a twig with me. Oh. Just feathering the brakes. Ooh, need to get right back. Oh. Yeah. Oh, straight over a smallish log. You hear the crack of that one. Shows the weight of these e-bikes, isn't it? Probably got a rock in the middle. That's a bit tricky. Couple of logs, one right in the middle there. Oh, oh. Men at work, which is here. Oh, crikey. Lot of detritus. Oh my goodness. Yeah, some of these trees are taking a bit of a battering, particularly as they haven't shed their leaves yet. They become like big sails, saturated with moisture as well over the last couple of weeks. Of course, before that, the soil was very dry and dried out. Of course, that's the perfect recipe. And then wind, and then tree down. But the earth itself, considering we had heavy rain a couple of days ago, has dried out because of the heavy wind. It's just a lot more rideable than I thought it was going to be. Let's go and do the XC line. Here, a proper load of roots. Ooh, crikey, lots of little logs and stuff. My goodness. Nice. Oh, the sun is coming out from behind the clouds, which is nice. Just hoping it's not going to tip down with rain, so that's actually a good sign, because half an hour ago it was looking quite miserable. Very grey cloud. Whew. Oh, just smacked my left hand against a tree. Is that a cat? meowing then. I think we'll go down. I'll try a few different. Oh, that may not have been a good idea. Because this, it's got a lot of logs on it and stuff. Right. Okay, so we'll do Ganol downhill. Oh crikey, there's a lot of detritus here. Oh my goodness. Taking it steady, it's just no point railing it down here. Look at that, there's a log right after that gap. Lots of little logs and all sorts. Got a log over there. Oh. It's gonna have to be careful, does it? Oh, crikey. Right. Just trying to avoid the front wheel going over some of these little logs. Oh crikey. Oh, let's go right. Okay, gotta go right here because, oh crikey, you got a tree down. Now then, can't see what's under the leaves, but let's just go right. Quite leafy. A big log over there. Let's go this way. Oh! Great. Down at the bottom. And this is Primrose. Yeah. It's hard to avoid the roots completely. So if you can just get your wheel over them so that your wheel is sort of perpendicular with the root. That is quite hard to do. Some of the roots are just coming at angles to your wheel, and then it's best to try and lift your wheel over them, which is obviously where the bunny hop comes in handy. There's a lot of little logs and twigs on the ground. So this is definitely one to ride cautiously. Looks like a tree has come down on the right there. Not over the trail though. Oh, I'm taking this so cautiously. But because I haven't ridden down here for a while, over a week, I'm going to take it steady. Goodness. A lot of leaves on the ground here. A lot of leaves. So I'm going to peel off left here and we'll climb back up. Just don't know. There are things across the trail here. We'll go around that. Whoop. Oh, I see some of these branches, they just go straight up with your tyre, and oh, it can sound expensive if it's hitting your rear mech. I think the trick is not to pedal if you think there's anything in the rear mech. Just obviously if it's through the spokes, nothing you can do about that. Oh, crikey. And I'm going to go left here, I'm not going straight on. Until I come here with a 27.5 wheel on the back, I'm not bothering with that one. Oh, it stinks there. There we go. I can get up this now. Right, so we'll do the one on the left, Neanderthal or Meandathall. Oh, crikey. Okay. Whoop. Oh yeah, we got logs, brambles and things. Quite a lot here. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Very. Oh yeah, had something in my rear mech then. Luckily, it sort of dropped out. But yeah, we got a lot of debris here. My goodness, it's really caught the wind. Look at it. It's just logs and everything, leaves. Oh yeah, definitely caution required if you're riding this in the next couple of days, I would say. I think it's going to start easing off tomorrow, which is Wednesday, but then we got more rain coming in according to Met Office, which have been pretty bang on the money for South Wales lately. As far as like, oh crikey, that tree is well held by that tree there. That could actually drop. Oh, let's get out of here. And he's pushing over and pulling off the trail. I think it needs two hands on that though to do that. Yeah. Oh, crikey. Oh. Woo. Right, we'll go up and we'll do gender neutral. Okay. Oh, my goodness, I've got to watch out. Okay. Oh. Yeah, we're talking quite slippery. And we got a branch. We need a bit of proper doing. Oh my gosh. I think we're going to have more of that. The answer lies in going left and avoiding the routes on the right. Okay, you can see I'm taking it really steady. It's just not worth. I'm trying to look ahead. We've got a branch down there, but it's not completely across the trail. lots of bits of bramble. Bramble? Rubbish. They're not brambles. They're like twigs with leaves on. Rich. They're not brambles. Okay. Alright, I have to take it steady here because this is a bit slippery that. Alright.